front door. You heard them. Boom, 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 wearing shoes like fucking retarded children. I was in here 3 minutes. They come in because they're convinced nothing will happen to them. I know, it's utter delusion. It's incredible to witness. Boom, 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 and then you hear them walking right over there on that side of the album. You hear the door. I wish I could film this, but the good guys have better film evidence. And then they march in, and then in a few minutes, the good guys will put up the actual military evidence. They go down the stairs to the door. That's the female, I'm pretty sure.